Afe yemfia banyosemo na yenko enhomasuamu nsem so kakra na wo Asante mantemu no suapon ahodo bi wo ha wo mo aye nhyehyeye se anka suapon de wo won adekire ne wade sua nhyehyeye mu no wo mo ekonomprenu de wo frɛ no se semester no na so we de wo mo kyerɛ se wo mo bekonom yensa efise COVID-19 coronavirus ne sunsuanso e de baaye no empanifo bi a wo mo ewo suapon wo frɛ no Ghana Baptist University College mu na wo pani a wo da no ene Fred de Graft ejeyi e kyerɛ se wo mo de wo pese ochichemu miensa se na ebe ya ebeboa ama yare no sunsuanso e de bedan sa suapon no empanifo betumi de niam agu akwam wo breko a adekire ne adesua wo mbefem boko.
So we started the online tutorials as the government agreed with the universities, but we were not able to finish everything. So we will continue online and at the same time face-to-face with the students. So from Monday on the 11th January, the students are coming face-to-face. But we will make sure we finish the first semester within the first 3 months, then we break for about 2 weeks, and then they will come back for the second semester. So that by July, August, we would have done with all the 2 semesters within the year.
For each of the colleges, faculties, departments, we have outlined several programs to undertake. Some departments will still undertake their own fumigation around. We have vantage points that we have these facilities for washing of hands. We have vantage points for dispensing of hand sanitizers and things like that. Every student is going to receive the government directive 4 or so, 5 or so nose masks, and I'm sure students will comply.
Abusia Badwam kase no we so na medina na mede esi ena efia da kedwa na nkasa ye krado se wode agokansie mu nsem ba besomo no so achi ahosepe ebeba wakwam afia makwata maklo betna se de afisem abro afei editors forum enso ebeba bra papa nyameke enso ebetna adwam abusia ha na mede wo si medase emo achi emo afisia pa mede ndi ma metra Diamond Lady D.